Hey everybody, Right Polo Tech here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the headlight bulb on a Toyota Highlander. Now this is a first generation Toyota Highlander, 2001 to 2007, and all the bulbs are exactly the same. It doesn't matter if you have a base model, a sport model, a limited model, a hybrid model, a 4-cylinder, a 6-cylinder, front-wheel drive, all-wheel drive, 4-wheel drive, it doesn't matter, they're all exactly the same. So there are two light bulbs here that we're dealing with. You got a low beam on here and a high beam on here. If you look over here, it's hard to see probably in the sunlight, but this one, the low beam is running and this one is burned out. So what I'm going to show you is both of them, but let me tell you that the low beam bulb is a 9006 and the high beam bulb is a 9005. So if you're looking for those, I'm going to put links in the description for you guys. You can check them out if you want to buy them online. All right, let's get down to it here. All right, so I popped the hood. Now I'm going to show you where these connections are for these two different bulbs. All right, so down here, this one right here is your high beam bulb. Sorry, if we can get that to focus on it a little bit. There we go. And this one over here that is red is the low beam bulb. This is the one that we're going to be changing today, but I'm just going to twist that one and pull it out just to show you that it's pretty much the same installation as this one over here. All right, so that's the bulb, 9006. This is a low beam. One thing I want to tell you is that you do not want to touch the glass part of the bulb with your fingertips because the oil from your fingers will shorten the life of the bulb. So only touch the plastic part of the bulb here when you're handling it. And over here is what we're going to get at. So we're going to take this whole piece here and twist it back this direction. So I'm going to try to get my hand in there and get the camera in there at the same time and twist it this direction. So as you can see, I turned it down this direction. So it went from the thing being straight down to now being over to, I guess, my left more. And now that those tabs are aligned with the holes, I can pull it straight out. See how it pulls out straight? And then the bulb comes out and it's attached like this. In order to get this bulb out here, you hold this button out and use your other hand to pull that bulb out. Then you grab the new bulb, being sure not to touch the glass part of it, and you plug it in just the same way you took it out. Just like that. Let's see if I can do this now where I can show you without getting my hand in the way. And then you turn it straight back down again. And that's all it is. The high beam one, same way. Just reach in here, turn it that way, pull it straight out, change the bulb out with the exact same way. You got a little button that you press in and you stick it back in. Then push it in and you turn it down and it locks back in. So that's the high beam one. That's a low beam one that we just changed. All right, now I'm going to turn the headlights on just to make sure it works. All right, so that's all there is to it. I hope you guys found this video useful and helpful. If you did, hit that like button for me, please. Also consider subscribing to the channel. If you could leave a comment in the comment section, let me know what you think. That'd be awesome. And also share it with somebody else. That would be really helpful for the channel. All right, guys, I'll see you next time. Bye.